Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami book right here. And yeah, and I'm sure a lot of you already folded this model, but the reason why I'm teaching it is because I think it's a really cool model and I haven't shown this model on my channel yet. And yeah, and it's a really cool design. And yeah, and want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model you can use any type of paper as long as it's square. So I'm just going to use an ordinary 16 square of Kami, but you can use an ordinary sheet of printer paper cut square. So I'm going to make a blue book, so a blue cover right here with white pages. So let's begin colored side up and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease strongly. Okay, and now fold to the crease. Okay, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now turn over and let's fold in half. Okay, and now turn back over, so make sure that these three creases are mountain folds, and this crease right here is a valley. Okay, take this edge and fold it to the last crease. Okay, unfold and rotate and repeat on this side. Fold this edge to the last crease. Okay, unfold, and now fold to the nearest crease. And repeat on this side. Okay, so here we divided this into 8 right here, and it's like an accordion fold because it's a valley, mountain, and then so on. So we're gonna make a few of these folds, so let's make this valley, and then make that mountain fold, and then make that valley. So that's 3 creases we made. And stop right there. And let's do it on this side too. So make this, this, and this. And then when we do that, we have the same amount of layers on each side. So we have 2 points right here, and 2 points right here. Okay, so stay on this side, and here we have a center crease right there. And we're gonna take this part, and we're gonna fold it up how much? Well, we're gonna fold into thirds. So make this equal to that. And you could just eyeball it, but I'm gonna go ahead and make it exact. So there is a guide mark. So to make it exact, just estimate it for right now, and then take this part and fold it behind. And we're gonna use this crease right here as our guide mark. And you want the points right here to align with that crease. So on this side, right there. And then you want them to align right here too. So it's sticking out just a little bit right here, so just fiddle with the folds until they align. It can be a little bit tricky because it's multiple layers, but yeah, just do your best. Close enough is fine. So there, I'm happy with that, and then repeat on this side. There we go, good enough. Okay. And then now take this and fold to these 2 crease marks. Pinch marks. And make that fold nice and sharp. Just like that. Okay. And now unfold that, turn over. And now we're going to take this and we're going to fold it up. And we want to fold it up so that this crease right here aligns with this crease. And don't crease the whole thing, just crease on this part right here. Like that. Unfold and repeat on this side. So just fold it so that this crease right here aligns with the middle crease. And just crease on this blue part right here, or whatever color you're using. Leave this part alone. Like that. Okay. And now let's completely unfold. Okay, so white side up, and here we have a zigzag pattern of creases, and we're gonna make those all valley folds. And before we do that, there's a crease that runs right through here. Let's make that fold a mountain fold. that nice and sharp. Okay, and now let's just make sure that these are all valley folds. Let's turn over onto the colored side, and let's pinch these mountain folds on this side. So you get our pinchers out and just pinch them like this, and do that to all of them, all the way across. Like that. Okay, now white side up again, and let's make this mountain fold right here. Okay, and now we're gonna pretty much collapse this on the existing creases. So let's start right here, and we're gonna pinch these two folds together right here, just to about here, and then take this part and push it in like this, all layers. So push it in on the existing creases, and it shouldn't be too hard because it's on creases. Okay, now do that all the way across. So let's just hold right here, and then push this in like that. And then same here, pinch here, push in, and then now right here, like that. Okay, and here, these are our pages of the book right here. Alright. And now we're gonna take this part and we're gonna fold it down. Don't fold it directly flush this edge right here. Leave a little bit of space. Just leave about maybe a couple millimeters. So I'll zoom in so you can see it. So just leave about that much space right there. It doesn't need to be exact, but just try and match what I'm doing. And make that fold nice and sharp. Okay. And now just to make it easier, let's just go ahead and reverse that fold. So loosen it up with your fingernail and just reverse it like this. So we're making that crease generalist. And just do that a couple times. Okay. And now, let's look on this side right here and find the middle slot. It's right here. So make sure there's two edges on this side and two edges on this side. So open right there. And we're gonna squash this on this crease and this crease. So just squash it down like this. And make sure that the pages are to the left, like that. Okay? And then now you can fold the pages to the right like this, and then just fold them back and forth like this. Okay, and now we're gonna open this up right here, like this. And we're gonna squash this down, and you want the squash to go in between these 2 points, or make it align with these edges right here. Alright, like this. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, turn over and repeat on this side. So open here, and we're gonna squash this down so that the fold aligns with these edges or in between these 2 points. Alright, just like that. And then crease that nice and sharp. Okay, like this. Now turn over on this side, and now we're gonna fold this down like this. And how far do you want to fold it down? Well, you could fold it down to make it align with these edges of the pages, but actually I'm gonna go a little bit beyond that. It's just about like maybe 2 millimeters beyond, like this. Just about like that is good. Alright, you can crease that nice and sharp. Okay, and now we're gonna fold this part up right over this edge, and just it's kind of trickier because the layers are so tall right here on the pages, but or you can just go maybe a little bit below it, it doesn't matter. So just kind of fold it like this just to get it started, and now at this point you just lift this up, and then let's remake that fold like this, and then now you can make it sharp like that, and now fold it down, and yeah, that's perfect. Okay, and now fold the pages to the left like this, and now take this and we're gonna fold it up. How much? Don't fold it directly to that line right there to here. Leave a little bit of space because we want to make a spine right here. So maybe about 2 or 3 millimeters is good, about like that. So if you look closely at the model, there's a little crease right there. There should be a little crease right there. So about 2 millimeters away from there is good. Okay. And repeat on this side. So fold the pages like that. Just get them out of the way. And then, oh, I don't see a crease there. That's alright, let's just go and use this side of the guide. So just try and match what you did over here. I think the more space you leave, I think the bigger the spine will be, I think. I don't know. Okay, just like this. So here our book is taking shape. And now what we're going to do is we're going to lock these two parts together. And this, I believe, is probably the hardest step of the whole model. When I first tried to learn how to make this, I had trouble with this step. So yeah, so we're going to lock them together, and this is how we're going to do it. So what we're going to do is keep the pages out of the way, so keep them on this side. I'm going to start right here. And we're going to kind of open this up, and we're going to also open this edge up too. So just past that little crease right there. So just to about there, doesn't matter. Just kind of stop there. And then now we're going to refold this on that existing crease. And we're going to kind of tuck this edge inside. So let's just start doing it right here. Just kind of tuck this edge in like this. Just to about there. And then now by holding this together, let's tuck this part in also. So we're wrapping this over those white edges right there. So just take it and just tuck it in there like that. See, that's what it looks like. And now let's just kind of flatten that, make it really sharp. Okay, and now let's do the same thing on this side. So if you didn't do it on if you didn't get it on this side, you got another try right here. So keep the pages out of the way like this, and let's open this up like this, and then open this part up too. Make sure that this stays folded. Alright, just do about there, and then fold this over on that crease. And then now let's start tucking this edge inside. So first start right here, and then wrap this part over those white edges. See? Just like this. And then kind of fix the corner up right here too. Well, actually, it doesn't really matter because that's inside there. Alright. Just like that. Okay, and now we're almost done. But if you fold it in half, it'll just give you, you won't really have a spine right there. See, and it'll just kind of stay open like that, and I don't like that. So we're gonna make a spine now. So to make a spine like this, here's what we're gonna do. So let's open the book like this, and we're gonna take this edge and fold it to the edges right here of the pages right here. So on all layers, and try and hold this down so it doesn't slide. So hold it down firmly against the table as hard as you can, and try and fold it to that edge. And then crease that nice and sharp. Okay, like that. And now same thing on this side. So just open this up, and now see the edges right here, they align with that cover right there. And let's repeat on this side too. So take this edge and fold it to here, and hold the layers down so they don't slide. Like that. And once it did that, here is our book. Let's kind of open up this, let's shape the spine to taste. So here's our spine right here, and you can just shape it to taste. Like this. Kind of open it up more. Like that. And once it did that, here is our book completed. There it is. There's our little book. Yeah. So it's got a nice cover. It's got a nice spine right here, which I really like. And once you open it up, it's got nice pages right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 5 pages. And yeah. And maybe you can maybe write some words in here. Write a story in there or whatever if you want. If you make it out of giant paper. So yeah. Here I got a collection of them right here. And yeah, and if you fold it from 10-inch kami, this is what the result is right here. Yeah. So, there you have it. There's the origami book. Alright, well I hope you guys were able to fold this, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.